let us go with the problem number 8 right here. So 1 3 by 4 plus 5 1 by 3 plus 3 and half is equal to, so they have given in terms of mixed fraction. So when you want to add, so you convert it into improper, then add it, right? So that is they have given 1 3 by 4 plus 5 1 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Now convert it into improper. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7 by 4, right? That this you need to multiply, and here you need to add, right? 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 by 3 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now take a LCM for 4 3 and 2, right? 2 2s are 3 1s are, further is not possible, so let us check out 2 into 2 into 3 3 2s are 6 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM, right? 4 3s are 3 7s are 21 plus 3 4s are 16 4s are 16 into 4, that is 64, right? Plus 2 6 are 6 7s are 42. Now add it here, right? 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 2 is 12, 127 by 12, right? Now convert this into mixed fraction, right? 127 by 12, 12 tens are 120, so 7 is the remainder. Now how you are going to place, that is QRD, right? Quotient is how much, that is, this is quotient, right? 10, right? 7 is the remainder and 12 is the divisor. 10 7 by 12 is the answer. Option C is the right one.